Hello, everyone. Welcome to Slow English Learning. I am Sarah, and I am so happy you are joining us today. This is the place where we take our time. We speak slowly and clearly so that you can understand every word. Our goal is to help you build your confidence, one sentence at a time. Today, John and I have a very special question for you, a question about your future. The topic today is, where do you see yourself this year? It sounds like a big question, but do not worry. It is a simple question. It means, what are your plans? What are your dreams for the next 12 months? We will talk about how to imagine your future and how to make simple goals. So find a quiet place, relax, and let's start learning together at a comfortable pace.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here. This is one of my favorite topics. Talking about the future makes me feel excited. It makes me feel hopeful.
Yes, John, hope is a beautiful thing. When we ask, where do you see yourself? We are using our imagination. We are making a picture in our mind.
Exactly. Imagine a movie, but you are the star of the movie, and the movie is about this year. What happens in the movie? That is what we are talking about today.
John, let's start with the most important thing for our listeners. Let's talk about English. Where do you see yourself with your English this year?
That is a great question. I see myself speaking with more confidence. I see myself understanding more words.
I see myself speaking with more confidence. That is a wonderful sentence. Listeners, let's practice this. Repeat after me. I see myself speaking with confidence.
I see myself speaking with confidence.
Very good. John, what does confidence look like?
Confidence looks like smiling. It looks like standing tall. It means you are not afraid to make a mistake.
Yes. So maybe you see yourself talking to a stranger, or you see yourself ordering food in a restaurant in English.
Or maybe you see yourself watching a movie in English without subtitles. That is a big goal.
It is a big goal, but it is possible. You can say, this year I will watch one movie in English.
I will watch one movie. Let's repeat that. I will watch one movie.
I will watch one movie.
Sarah, where do you see yourself regarding your health this year? Health is very important.
It is. This year, I see myself drinking more water. It is a small thing, but I want to be healthy. I see myself carrying a water bottle every day.
That is a very clear picture. You can close your eyes and see Sarah with a water bottle.
Yes, it is simple. What about you, John? Where do you see yourself? Do you see yourself at the gym?
To be honest, Sarah, I do not like the gym very much. It is too loud. But I see myself walking in the park. I see myself walking for 30 minutes every day.
Walking is fantastic. It is good for your body and your mind. You can say, I see myself walking in nature.
I see myself walking in nature. Let's repeat. I see myself walking in nature.
I see myself walking in nature.
Sarah, let's talk about work or school. For many people, this is a big part of the year.
Yes, maybe you want a new job. Maybe you want to learn a new skill. You can say, I see myself happy at work.
Happy at work. That is the most important thing. If you are not happy, maybe you see yourself changing jobs.
You can say, I am going to find a new job.
I am going to find a new job. Let's repeat. I am going to find a new job.
I am going to find a new job.
Sarah, sometimes people are afraid to say this. They think, my English is not good enough for a new job.
But that is not true. Your English is getting better every day. You are listening to us right now. That proves you are working hard. Do not let fear stop you.
Yes. See yourself in the interview. See yourself smiling. See yourself saying, I am a hard worker.
I am a hard worker. That is a great sentence for an interview. Let's repeat. I am a hard worker.
I am a hard worker.
Now, John, let's talk about fun. Life is not just work. Where do you see yourself having fun this year?
Oh, I love fun. This year, I see myself cooking. I want to learn how to make fresh bread.
Fresh bread. I can smell it. So you see yourself in the kitchen?
Yes, I see myself in the kitchen with flour on my hands, smelling the hot bread. It makes me feel happy.
That is a wonderful visualization. Visualization means making a picture in your head. Listeners, what is your hobby? Do you like painting? Do you like gardening?
Do you like playing guitar? Say it now. I see myself playing guitar.
I see myself playing guitar, or I see myself planting flowers.
I see myself planting flowers. Let's repeat. I see myself planting flowers.
I see myself planting flowers.
Sarah, let's talk about travel. Everyone loves to dream about travel. Where do you see yourself going this year?
This year, I see myself near the ocean. I want to go to the beach. I want to sit on the sand and listen to the water.
That sounds very relaxing. So you see yourself relaxing.
Yes, relaxing is a goal too. We are often too busy. We need to rest.
I agree. My goal is to visit a big city. I see myself looking at tall buildings and visiting museums.
You can say, I plan to visit a new city.
I plan to visit a new city. Let's repeat. I plan to visit a new city.
I plan to visit a new city.
Sarah, what if our listeners don't have money to travel? Can they still have a goal?
Of course, travel does not have to be expensive. You can travel to a new park in your town. You can travel to a library. You can travel in your mind by reading a book.
That is beautiful. I see myself exploring my own city.
Exploring. That means looking around and finding new things. Let's repeat. Exploring.
Exploring.
Now, John, let's talk about friends and family. This is the heart of our life. Where do you see yourself with your family?
I see myself spending more time with my parents. We are often busy with our phones. This year, I want to put my phone away.
That is a very strong goal. Put the phone away. It is hard to do.
It is hard, but I see myself sitting at the dinner table, talking and laughing with no phones.
That is a beautiful picture. You can say, I want to connect with my family.
I want to connect. Let's repeat. I want to connect.
I want to connect.
Sarah, what about making new friends? Many English learners feel lonely.
Yes, making friends in a new language is scary, but I see our listeners being brave. I see you saying hello to a neighbor.
Just hello, that is the start. You can say, this year I will make one new friend.
I will make one new friend. Let's repeat. I will make one new friend.
I will make one new friend.
And where can they find friends, John?
They can find friends in an English class. They can find friends at a coffee shop or even online in a friendly community like ours.
Exactly. Do not be afraid of your accent. Your accent is special. It is part of who you are. A real friend will like you for you, not just your grammar.
That is very true. Do not let anyone laugh at your English. If you try to make a friend, you are doing a good thing.
Sarah, let's talk about mindset. Mindset is how you think. Is your mind happy or sad, positive or negative?
This year, I see myself being more positive. Sometimes I worry too much. I worry about the future. I worry about money.
We all worry, John. It is normal. But we can change our mindset. We can say, I choose to be happy.
I choose to be happy. That is powerful. It means happiness is a choice.
Yes, I see myself being kind to myself. Sometimes we are mean to ourselves. We say, oh, I am stupid. I made a mistake.
Stop. Do not say that. Instead, say, I am learning. I am getting better.
I am getting better. Let's repeat. I am getting better.
I am getting better.
Sarah, let's talk about organization. Some people want to be more organized this year.
Oh, that is me. My desk is very messy. I see papers everywhere. This year, I see myself with a clean desk.
A clean desk helps you think. You can say, I am going to be organized.
I am going to be organized. Let's repeat. Organized.
Organized.
You can buy a calendar. You can write down your English practice times. Monday at 9 o'clock a.m., listen to Sarah and John.
Yes, that is a great plan. Put it on your calendar. Make it a habit.
A habit is something you do every day, like brushing your teeth. English should be a habit.
Where do you see yourself with your habits? Do you see yourself reading for 10 minutes before bed?
Yes. Instead of looking at social media, I see myself reading a book.
That is a healthy habit. It helps you sleep better too.
Sarah, let's talk about the word improve. To improve means to get better. Where do you want to improve?
I want to improve my cooking. I want to improve my patience. Patience means waiting without getting angry.
Patience is very important for learning English. You cannot learn everything in one day. You need patience.
Listeners, where do you want to improve? Do you want to improve your listening? Do you want to improve your writing?
You can say, I am improving every day.
I'm improving every day. Let's repeat. I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
John, let's play a small game. I will ask you a where do you see yourself question, and you answer quickly, okay?
Okay, I am ready.
Where do you see yourself in the morning?
I see myself drinking coffee and smiling.
Where do you see yourself on the weekend?
I see myself walking in the park with my dog.
Where do you see yourself in December, at the end of the year?
Wow! In December, I see myself looking back at this year and feeling proud.
Feeling proud. That is the goal. We want you to feel proud.
Listeners, imagine it is December now. Imagine you are looking at the last 12 months. Did you try? Did you practice? Did you smile?
If you tried, you should be proud. Success is not being perfect. Success is not giving up.
Not giving up. That is the key. Keep going.
Sarah, let's talk about writing these things down. It is good to have a picture in your mind, but it is better to write it on paper.
Yes, get a notebook. Write, my vision for this year. Vision means what you see.
Write simple sentences. I will speak English. I will walk every day. I will be kind.
Put this paper on your mirror. Look at it every morning while you brush your teeth.
It reminds you. It helps you focus. Focus means looking at one thing.
Sarah, what if things change? What if I plan to go to Italy, but I cannot go?
That is okay. Life changes. Plans change. Do not be sad. Make a new plan. Be flexible.
Flexible, like a tree in the wind. You move, but you do not break.
I can change my plan. Let's repeat. I can change my plan.
I can change my plan.
The important thing is to keep moving forward. Do not stop.
Sarah, let's talk about comfort zones. A comfort zone is where you feel safe. It is easy, but nothing grows there.
This year, I see myself stepping out of my comfort zone. I want to do something a little bit scary,
Like what?
like speaking in front of a group of people or making a video in English.
That is scary, but it is how we grow. Listeners, where do you see yourself? Inside the safe box or outside trying new things?
Try one small new thing, order a different coffee, say hello to a new person, read a new book.
I will try something new. Let's repeat. I will try something new.
I will try something new.
Sarah, we have talked about many things today: English, health, work, travel, family, mindset.
It is a lot to think about, but remember, you have 12 months. You have time. Take it slow.
Yes, slow is good. One step at a time.
Let's practice some positive affirmations before we finish. Affirmations are strong, positive sentences you say to yourself.
I love affirmations. They make me feel strong.
Okay, John, repeat after me. And listeners, you repeat too. This is going to be a good year.
This is going to be a good year.
I am ready for new things.
I am ready for new things.
I am capable.
I am capable. Capable means you can do it.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
My future is bright.
My future is bright.
Wow, I feel very good now. I feel ready for the year.
Me too. I feel motivated. Motivation means I have energy to work.
John, let's talk about obstacles. Obstacles are problems that block your way. What do we do when we see an obstacle this year?
We do not stop. We find a way around it. If you don't have time to study for 1 hour, study for 5 minutes. That is finding a way.
Yes. If you don't have money for a gym, walk outside. That is finding a way.
There is always a way. You just have to look for it.
I will find a way. Let's repeat. I will find a way.
I will find a way.
Sarah, I want to ask you, where do you see our podcast this year?
Oh, I see our podcast growing. I see more listeners joining our family. I see us helping thousands of people learn English.
I see that too. I see us reading comments from happy students. That is my favorite part.
Yes. When you write a comment, we smile. We feel connected to you.
So please tell us in the comments, where do you see yourself this year? Write one simple sentence.
I see myself speaking English. I see myself traveling. We want to know.
John, we have been talking for a long time. It is a long conversation, but it is good practice for listening.
Yes, if you listen to the whole podcast, you practiced English for a long time. That is amazing.
You should be very happy with yourself.
Sarah, do you have any final advice for our listeners about the new year?
My advice is be kind. Be kind to others, but also be kind to yourself. If you have a bad day, it is okay. Tomorrow is a new day.
That is beautiful advice. My advice is have fun. Learning English should be fun. Laugh at your mistakes. Enjoy the journey.
Enjoy the journey. That is a perfect way to end.
Thank you, Sarah. This was a wonderful conversation.
Thank you, John. I always enjoy talking with you.
And thank you to our listeners. You are the reason we are here.
We are here for you. We are your team.
Let's say goodbye for now.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode here on Slow English Learning. I hope you enjoyed our conversation and learned some useful new words. Remember, you don't need to hurry. Learning a language is a journey, and it is okay to go slow. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who is also learning. I am Sarah, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Until then, keep practicing, stay positive, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Keep dreaming big.